Hello, very ambitious plans for today. To get this on, maybe throw this in. I need to get the wires, I need to get the loom inside, some clearance. I need to get the battery wire from the trunk under the hood, and then we'll see how much we can get today. Not much recording today, more doing. I'll keep you posted. Let's go. So the update is the rear subframe is installed, the new brake lines and new springs are on, and now we go to the front. So, quick update. Rear subframe is on, front subframe is on. I've changed the steering rack endings, the tire rods, the ones you used to steer. Tomorrow the stabilizer connectors, and we'll see. Rise and shine, or at least that's what I say, because it is raining cats and dogs outside. So, plan for today. We're gonna get the front ready. I need to disassemble some parts from the inside and get the cable from the trunk or the battery, and it's gonna be in the trunk to the engine bay. Get the clutch cylinder from here, because we're gonna swap the automatic. And yeah, we'll see what we can do. Maybe the rear bumper, because I don't think I have anything else to do before that. So yeah, we'll see. Let's get to it. So, an update. I have managed to disconnect the pedal box, and I've realized that they are connected, the clutch and the brake. but I still need to get the fluid reservoir feed to the clutch off from the other side of the firewall. So I don't know if I want to disconnect it here in the clutch or on the other side. And we still gonna need to change this little guy here, because this one's got the feed for the clutch to the inside of the car, and the other one does not, and we don't require it, we don't need it, because we have an automatic coming up, so no clutch there, and a wider brake pedal. Update. This one has been changed. This is locked, as you may see. Yep. Both holes, the feed and the actual cylinder for the gearbox are blacked out, sealed, and there is a pedal for the automatic transmission. Now we get this.
Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Hey, I'm never the same.
Hello, big update. That is a mess, but there's no engine. The engine is here, and the whole operation, 2 people, took about an hour. It's not connected or anything like that, but yeah. And the last 2 days I have been relentlessly working on the inside of the car, and by that I mean the wires for the seats, because now they are gonna be electrical, not manual. And relocation here and here, 2 cables, red. The relocation of the battery for the back, to the back, because originally this car had the small engine, 2-liter engine, and the battery in the front, and now we're gonna have the battery in the back for the better weight distribution, because I suppose there is enough place here for the battery still, but hey, 3-liter engine. Hello, it's been a long time, but not to get into details. The car is put together just enough to see if it starts, if it works fine. If it works fine on a long distance, it's gonna be a whole another story, but today I just want to start it up and see if it works. Hello, it's been a long time, some very long days, some longer than others. There's not been that much time that I could work on the car, so a lot of time has passed, and it has all led me to this moment. This very moment. The car has all the fluid stopped off. We have the drivetrain installed, the brakes, all of that. The brakes are bled, nothing's leaking, and I did virginize the DME to get the EMS, so the module for the immobilizer, running with the car. And now would you look at that, the car is running, even no check engine light, which is crazy. The car doesn't overheat, the power steering works, sounds good, nothing's leaking. It is good, it's really good. I didn't record the first start because first of all I wasn't sure if it's gonna start. Second, I didn't know if there are gonna be any complications, because if there were any complications I wouldn't get the fire extinguisher as fast with the camera in hand. So man, it feels great, it does really feel good.